Hi, welcome to your weekly art video. This week in art, you will have a quiz over 2.09, which basically is a quiz over the whole unit of Unit 2. So in this video, I'm just going to go over the highlights of the entire unit for you. Also, I want to point out that I've got a QR code right here. If you scan that QR code, it is going to take you to all of the study aids that I have made for you for this unit. Within that QR code, you will find the Unit 2 notes. You will find a Kahoot that'll help you review, and you'll also find flashcards to help you study for Unit 2. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, in Unit 2, we talked about the Flatiron Building. Here's some interesting points about it. It was designed by Daniel Burnham. It has a skinny triangular shape, and the shape fits its triangular shaped building site. That's why they made it a triangular shape. Additionally, the outside or the facade is made of limestone and terracotta. The decorations were inspired by the past, and those decorations include columns, rounded arches, and face masks. And if you can zoom in on this picture, you will be able to see all of those things. Now, the structure of the Flatiron Building. The building's skeleton is made of steel. Steel frames allowed buildings to be taller, stronger, and more stable. Let's talk about the Chrysler Building. It was designed by William Van Allen. It was built in the Art Deco style, and it was known for its sleek lines and geometric shapes. So Art Deco buildings often include bold geometric shapes, clean, sleek lines, decorative patterns, and a modern futuristic look. Oh, the Empire State Building. It was designed by Shreve, Lamb, and Harmon. It is a famous skyscraper still to this day in New York City. The top of the building lights up in different colors every night. The colors change for holidays and special events. So like on the 4th of July, the top of the building is red, white, and blue. And maybe on Valentine's Day, it's red. Let's talk about architecture as sculpture. Some buildings are both useful and artistic. These buildings serve as architectural functions, and they look like giant sculptures. Let me move my face down a little bit. There we go. Here are a few examples of those sculptural architecture. The East Building of the National Gallery of Art, the Guggenheim Museum. Remember when you start at the top and then you work your way down? That's a shot of the inside. And then the Guggenheim Museum in Bilbao, Spain. So, are you ready for the quiz? Let me ask you a couple quick questions. See if you can answer them. Which building has a triangular shape? Which style uses sleek lines and geometric shapes? Which building lights up in different colors? Which buildings look like giant sculptures? If you could not answer any of those questions, I suggest that you stop this video, go back and watch it again. Okay, as a quick reminder, be sure you read 2.09. Be sure to use the study aids provided to you. You can check the semester checklist or the weekly announcement, or you can scan this QR code right here. The quiz is due on Thursday. If you have any questions, feel free to come to office hours. Have a great week, everybody.